Okay, so the word for you is amicable. AMICABLE, amicable.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello, good evening, sir. I'm Prachi.
Good evening, ma'am.
Have we taken a class together before?
No, ma'am. It is our first session.
Okay, so can you just quickly start by introducing yourself to me?
Okay, ma'am. Well, my name is Sudhir Patel. I am from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I am joined Clapingo for being fluency, and now it is my, I think, 47th session with you. It is
Great.
all about me.
So, fine, sir. So, you said Jalgaon. So, where is this place, sir?
From Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Nice. Okay, so you are a working professional. Can you tell me something more about your profession, please?
Yeah, I am working in private sector.
Private sector.
Yes, in schools.
In schools. Fine. Okay. So, how has your journey been on Clapingo until now?
Sorry,
I said, how has your journey been on Clapingo until now?
I'm not getting you properly due to some voice.
Can you hear me now properly?
Yes, 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 yes.
Okay. So, I'm asking you, like, how has your journey been on Clapingo until now?
Okay, it is good. It is overall, it is good. Now I told you my experience is good, and my confidence is now increased because before joining Clapingo, it was very difficult for me to speak in front of the camera. But
Hmm.
now I have recording my own videos and uploading it on my channel. So my overall experience is good with Clapingo. So there is no problem.
Okay, so you made a mistake when I asked you that how has your experience been on Clapingo? You said it was very good, right? But you are still working on Clapingo, right? So the
Oh,
correct language would be my experience has been good on
has
Clapingo.
okay,
You are
okay,
still,
yes,
learning with us, so it's a continuous process.
yeah,
So
yeah,
that's why, yeah,
yes,
it has been a good
okay.
journey. Okay, so what are the two things that you would like to recommend to a beginner like you who wants to learn English?
I will recommend them to start speaking wherever you are, no matter what is
Right,
your level,
right.
because
Hmm.
speaking is most important factor. Now I am speaking,
Hmm.
my fluency is improving. Okay, and if instead of speaking, if I listen more, so it will not affect on my
Right.
fluency. So I will suggest to them, please speak as a like conversation in your mind, or if there is whom with you speak, then start speaking.
Hmm.
And after that, listening also important, and reading also important.
Great. I also suggest all my learners the same tip that the trick to learn any language is to speak it on a daily basis as much as you know
Yeah,
of it. You should never be hesitant because you cannot be like, okay, मैं पूरा language सीख लूंगा, then I'll start talking. It does not
yeah,
happen
yeah,
like that.
it does
Okay.
not happen.
So, have you learned any new word recently that you would like to share with me?
In English language,
Definitely, yes, sir.
I learned lots of words in English, and recently means now 2 days or in on Clapingo,
Hmm.
means when recently means
What were we talking about? Yeah, we were talking about the word. Okay.
word. Yes.
Yeah.
One tutor was Ridhima. Ridhima. She taught me few words, means olfactory, related to
Hmm.
our sense.
Okay.
Olfactory, visualization, tactile,
Hmm.
like that. So, related to sense, I learned few words on that
Okay.
day.
So I'll teach you a new word today.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So the word for you is amicable. AMICABLE. Amicable.
Okay, amicable means loving. It's meaning of, what is the meaning of amicable?
Okay. So amicable means somebody who is very friendly, easygoing. For example, Sudhir is a very amicable person to work with. It means that you are a very friendly and easygoing person to work with. So that is meant by
Yes.
amicable.
Yes, and I think we also use another use of amicable means we solve the quarrel with amicable way like that.
We should resolve quarreling amicably.
Amicably. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
So there are
Yeah.
various variations of a word, amicable, amicably. Right. Work,
Okay.
workaholic. So try to,
Yes.
whenever
Yes.
you learn a word, you should try to use it in different variations. That is very important.
Yes. Okay.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
fine. Okay. So, sir, can you tell me what is the today's topic?
I think today's topic is festival, and I had one session with a tutor
Hmm.
on festival. I think so. Instead of
Okay. It's
going
a
to
very
this,
common topic.
yeah, festival. So instead of this topic, I would like to say means general topic, whatever he told.
So, what would okay? There is this new film that has released recently called Oppenheimer. So, have you watched that film, or do you know anything about that film?
No, I don't have any idea about those that film.
So, that film
It
is
is a
based. Please, sir, you're
okay,
saying
okay,
something.
go.
So, that film is based on the creation of atomic bomb, like the father of atomic bomb. So, do you know anything about that?
No, ma'am, please. If you
Okay.
have, then you can.
So, like I don't want to talk about it because then I'll be talking more and you won't be. So you can just tell me what
Mm-hmm.
kind of movies you really like to watch and why. What is your favorite genre?
I like to watch scientific movie related to on means moons and adventures. So I
Hmm.
like that type of movies, and I think recently I watched After Earth, a movie or based on Earth
Yeah,
and
after.
shifting Earth on another.
Hmm.
Yeah. So I like that type of movies, and mostly I watch those movies only.
Ah,
Another type is means entertainment means comedy movies. Okay. So I like
okay.
both those two types. Adventures means scientifically, and
Hmm.
another is comedy movies.
So you are
Yeah.
interested in like scientific exploration and science related things. Have you watched Inception
Yeah.
and Interstellar? They are really good movies based on aerospace travel, and one is about like dream sequence. So maybe you can watch these two movies.
Okay. Ma'am, please put these names in chat box. I will try to watch these movies
Okay.
after uh, session.
These are actually really good movies, like of all time. They are like
Yeah.
very popular with people. Okay. So tell me something
Okay.
about
I
your.
also watch.
Go ahead, sir. You're saying
I
something.
also watch Gravity. I also watch Gravity. Do you
Yeah,
know
that
Gravity
has
movie?
Sandra Bullock in it, the actress.
Yeah. Yes. 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 Okay.
Do you know like a fun fact, like the moon mission, that Mangalyaan that went no to the Mars? Its
Yeah.
budget was less than the budget of the movie, so it was cheaper than the budget of the movie.
Okay.
So
Do
that
you?
whole
Yes. Yes. Go.
Mangalyaan mission was far more cheaper than a Hollywood movie. So that's how efficient Indian airspace program has become. Did you recently watch the launch of Chandrayaan 3?
Yeah. I watched
So,
Chandrayaan 3.
like, what was your experience? What was your take on that whole like space exploration thing? Because now there are a lot of private companies which are coming into play. So, how do you think that will, shape the future of Indian aerospace?
Actually, I don't have any idea about that, ma'am.
Okay.
But I like to watch those type of videos and those types of adventures. So I only
Hmm.
see. I want only to uh, successfully would be launch Chandrayaan 3
Hmm.
on the moon. So it is my
Hmm.
pray only to watch
It is
because
my
it is second time. First time
prayer to God.
pray to God. So it is our
Hmm.
second time. I think first time it was where it go
Third time, sir.
where
Third time.
It is third time.
First time, yeah, first
Okay.
time we landed. Second time we were not able to,
Okay.
and third time we are hoping.
It is going on. Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah.
I think after this mission, like we will try to put man on moon, like man mission to moon from India. So that is a very big thing.
Okay. But in this, and there is no man going on the moon. I think it is
Not
only
right
and
now.
to
If
go.
this mission is successful, then they will have this. I think
Okay. After that.
Gaganyaan or Akash, something like that. So through that, they will try to
Okay.
send some Indian astronauts, to the space.
Okay. So after that, it is possibility to go on moon.
Yeah, it will be a. We have already reached the moon in 1969. It's just that as Indians, it would be a very big, development.
Okay.
Also, there could
Yeah.
be a lot of mining for, minerals. So many things are there that can be done.
No.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
sorry, please. Sorry, please. I'm interrupting you. Please
mhm.
give a small introduction about you. Means because I gave you introduction, but I didn't
I
know
gave
anything
you
about you.
introduction.
I gave you introduction.
Okay, so I am like Prachi, like I already introduced myself to you. I am actually a veterinary student. I am currently interning in Tamil Nadu as a veterinary doctor, and I just teach on Clapingo, like something as a part-time job, just to earn some side
Okay.
money, like quick money.
If there is a,
So that
yeah, yeah. There is a one app available on the Play Store, and there where we join on this app, we mostly I talk with people from Tamil and Kerala.
okay.
Mostly there are, yeah. It is
I
a
am
English
actually
app
not
where.
Tamilian. I am from UP, Uttar Pradesh, but I'm studying in Tamil Nadu, Chennai.
Okay.
Yeah. But I
Okay.
know
Yeah.
Tamil.
You are from
I
you.
know Tamil. Yeah.
Wow.
It's
Yeah.
a little difficult language to learn, but I think Tamil is very thorough language. Like it is the most expressive language. There are words for every kind of emotion there is. I don't know, that kind of Tamil. I know just the basic, something to like get by in the city. But yeah, it's a very it's called a classical language actually.
Yeah. It is important to learn basic also.
It's lot similar to Sanskrit. Like lot of their words are derived from Sanskrit. I don't know like which language came before, but yeah, it's pretty similar to Sanskrit. Okay, so
Okay. So do
before
you
we
know
end the
Sanskrit?
session, sir, let me just give you my feedback. So I think you have massively improved, but you still, I think there is a big room for improvement. You need to still work on your
Hmm.
grammar. You can form
Okay.
sentences, your vocabulary is decent, but you still need to work on your grammar. Like you make minor mistakes, right? Like give, gave, plural form. So these kind of
Okay.
things you need to work on.
Yeah. No, I think
Okay.
it is not a grammar. I think it is a when we speak, we forget to focus on both things, thinking and
Hmm.
speaking. So while
Right.
speaking, I forgot to pick correct word and directly speak,
Hmm.
took the base form of verb. So I think it like that. So okay, I will focus on this grammar also, and I
And one
also
more thing,
focused
sir,
on
replay the session and note down the mistakes that your tutor points out. That also helps immensely.
okay. Okay, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. I will
Okay.
do that.
Okay.
Okay.
So with this, we will end today's session, sir. It was really nice talking to you. Have a nice evening ahead. Bye bye.
Okay, ma'am. Bye.
Bye.